This is very perfect for, you know what, about an all this disaster in the Philippines, the big one, the seat emergency kit medical gubang. So, kung may pera ka naman, whatever you're shopping online, andyan naman di ba lahat, pwede ka nang bumili. Pero kung ikaw ay isang mahirap, lalo sa mga nagtatrabaho sa Pilipinas, kagaya natin dahil nagtatax tayo, dapat ang gubag natin libre. Ang magbibigay sa atin, yung barangay natin. All Quezon City, Metro Manila, or whatever. Ang gobyerno or tax our money for this, for emergency medical. Ganon. Bawat subdivision, village, meron kubags. Noon, mga kasambahay nyo, mga workers nyo, yung amo nyo na ang bibili or bibigyan kayo ng pera para may pambili kayo ng kubags. Pero pag yung mga amo nyo na hindi nagbigay, pwede na kasuhan ng government. Hindi dapat yan sinasabi at hindi dapat yan wala action for improve yourself to win about shopping and go achieve in who you are. Hindi kailangan sabihin mo pa yun sa helper mo, sa doctors, or medyo hospitality, building, office, anything. Lahat ng tao mayroong go bags or medical kit emergency. Ilalagay nyo lang sa ilalim ng opisina, malapit sa mga pinto o anything. Kasi pag nangyari ang disaster, kasi don't ignore to my speech kasi I really, because my spirit is off, kaya ako naghahanda ng gubag kasi upang aking spirit. Ibig sabihin, hinuhudyak ng God na mamatay ako sa earth. Kayo din, or whatever your relationship, love of Christ, or healing, whatever your soul. Ganun yon. Dahil yun ang point. Because it's change your life after death and judgment day. You're going to hell, and you're going to heaven. And revolution for war. Ganon. Ha? Umpisahan nyo na ngayon November 2025. International Foreign and Asia. All government politician, kayo na ang kumilos. Hindi na kailangan sabihin namin, kayo na ang gumawa because just over the market your brand and I think for proper work, and all this is going to deeply corrupted. Okay? Baka nakawin pa namin yun mga gubag na yun or whatever, kung ano man yung dapat na mga gagamitin sa mga malls, grocery shoppers, or anything. So check to my YouTube channel, very warning to the world. Emergency immediately. Thank you.